Hello, welcome in. We are solving General Study Paper 1 of year 2023 of Civil Consistency exam. Question number 42 is with reference to ancient India, consider the following statement. 1. The concept of stupa is Buddhist in origin. 2. Stupa was generally a repository of relics. 3. Stupa was a votive and commemorative structure in Buddhist tradition. How many of the statements given above are correct? Option A only one, option B only two, option C all three, and option D none. So here first statement is about the origin of stupa. First statement is the concept of stupa is Buddhist in origin. So that statement is wrong because the concept of stupa meaning heap or mound in Sanskrit. Stupa means heap or mound in Sanskrit. Predates Buddhism. It is before Buddhism, with evidence suggesting it used in pre-Buddhism burial mound or tumuli. So first statement is wrong, so it is pre-Buddhist origin. Okay. Second is stupa was generally a repository of relics, so that is correct. Stupa, a Buddhist commemorative monument, was generally a disparity of relics, primarily those associated with Buddha or other important Buddhist figures. So commemorative word also says that third statement is also correct. So explanation of it is purpose of this stupa. Stupa were built to house relics which could include bodily remains, ashes or bones of Buddha or his disciples or objects that belong to them. So that is about third statement, votive and commemorative structure. So they serve as both votive structure, act of devotion, votive is act of devotion, and commemorative structure, honoring and Buddha and his teaching. And more explanation, symbolic representation. The stupa design itself was symbolic, representing the Buddha's body and path of enlightenment. Location, stupa were often located in important trade centers, pilgrim sites, and near monasteries, serving as places of meditation and devotion for followers. So what is the Ashoka's role in stupas? The Mauryan Empire, Ashoka played a significant role in promoting Buddhism and the construction of stupa, distributing relics, and having stupa built over them. So first statement is wrong, second and third are correct. So answer is option B.